Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel MS Maths. In this video I will discuss the basics of group theory and this is the part 5th, and in the part 5th I will discuss the construction of Dihedral set or DN set. What is the DN set? I will discuss completely in this, and what are the properties, how can we find D4, D3, D1, D2, that I will discuss and construct. This is the series of group theory and you can watch all those previous videos in my playlist of group theory, and this is helpful for all these examination, GATE, NET, TIFR, NBHM, CUET and IIT JAM. My name is Manoj Solanki. Please subscribe the channel MS Maths, like, share and press the bell icon. So we'll start the topic. So first of all I will define what is the concept of, or we can say what is the definition of DN. DN is a set, and this is the something set which is related to the geometry of we can say geometrical interpretation. It have a strong geometrical interpretation. I will also discuss that also. It is related to the rotation, generator and reflection. All these things we are going to discuss. So it is denoted by Dn and defined by like this. There are two portion x and y, x power I, y power j, where x square is e means identity, y power n is equals to e. Now here x into y is nothing but x into y is y inverse into x, and I is equals to 0 and 1, but j is equals to 0, 1, 2, n minus 1. Whatever we are taking n here, if I will take n is equals to 4, then j will be from 0, 1 and 2 and 3. So this is the j, but I will be fixed for each and every n, that is 0 and 1. So here my x is related to the reflection, y is the rotation, because of the rotation will depend on the number of edges, or we can say number of edges or number of node points. Let's say if it is a square, then it will relate to Dn. Let's say if it is a triangle, then it is related to D3. If it is a line, then it will be D2. If it is a point, then it will be Dn. So from here rotation is 4 kind of rotation. From here, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the 4 rotation here, or let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rotations are there. It means it will be from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4j will be there. So 4j values will be there. For this triangle, if it is like this 1, 2, 3, so 3 rotations will be there. For this line, 2 rotations will be there, and there is no rotation, so j will be 0 for this only. So we'll discuss all these with the geometrical interpretation. And the cardinality of this particular set is something twice of n. Let's say if it is D4, it means the cardinality will be, there are 8 elements in that. It means 2 into 4 is equals to 8 elements will be there. Number of reflection and number of rotation is always n. So how many reflection will be there? That is n. How many rotations will be there? That is n. It means it has a 4 rotation, it has a 4 reflection. So it means 8 elements will be there, 4 related to the reflection, 4 related to the rotation. Next, just construction of D4 that we will discuss. What is the D4 here? So how many elements are there? What's the definition? It is very clear. So xi, yj. So here x square is equals to always e, but y power n, it means y power. What is your n here? That is 4. Y power 4 is equals to e, and always xi is equals to y inverse x. Here I is fixed, but j is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1, up to n minus 1. This is the simple concept here. Now here what is my y? Y is 4, so it will be r90. Every time it will rotate with 90 degree. So I will just start from here. I will just make this like rectangle here, and yes, square. It will be square kind of thing. So what about z0? So if it is z0, then I can just write here. So it is my a, r0. So if I will take it is a, b, c and d. Now what is the meaning of r0? R0 is something, it is a, so from here r0 is what? The same thing will be here. Because of that we can't rotate it. So if I will take So from here R means that it is as same, because there is no rotation here. So it is very clear that we can make like this. Okay, so next will be what? If I will write this, so from here, if it is my R, okay, 90 degree. So what is 90 degree here? So if I will construct the 90 degree of this, wait, if I will construct the 90 degree, then it will be now. If I will rotate this with 90 degree, then what happened? My A will be here. So if I will rotate this with 90 degree, then you can see how it will look like. This will be A. So here it is A, B, C and D. Okay, so this is one of the 90 degree. Wait, yeah, this will be 90 degree here. So if I will write like this here, okay, I will just construct like this from hand only. So if it is A, if it is B, C and if it is D, then after if I will take in like 180 degree, okay, this is what 90 degree, and if I will take 180 degree, then what happened? This is 90 degree, and if I will take one more 90 degree, then from here it is A, B, C and D, and then 270 is what? If it is A, B, C and D, just take 90 degree one more like this, then that will be your D here. Okay, just say A is here, so it will be A, B, C and D. So this is the rotation: 0, 90, 180 and 270. And after that, next we will have reflection. So first of all, horizontal reflection means like this. Okay, wait, means like horizontal. If it is A, or let's say I have started A from here, so it is A, B, C and D, then it will be what? Sorry, then it will be A. So it will be A, B will be here, C will be here and D will be here. This is your horizontal. Okay, now what is vertical here? So in vertical case, if it is A, B, C and D, it is vertical. So like this. So this is B, or this is A, B and this is C and then D. This is vertical. Next is diagonal. Like this, A, B, C and D. Now diagonally, it is a diagonal. So it means that diagonally means, so from here it is A, okay, diagonally reflection, okay, wait, diagonally reflection means it will be B, it will be A and it will be C and it will be D. So A, B, C, D. Anti-diagonal, D dash means anti-diagonal, A, B, okay, C and D. This is your anti-diagonal. Then now A and C will be changed here. So it will be A, will be C, B and D. So from here A, B, C, D. So these are 4 elements of D4. Okay. Now how can we find these 4 elements? Okay. Now there are some questions related to this that we can easily solve. How can you solve this question? It is very easy. Just it is what? R180. Okay. First of all, what is R? So it is my A, B, C and D. It is my R. R180 into R270. Just trick is that let's start from back side. First take R270. What do you mean by R270? So if it is 90, so just take one node only. It is 1. So if it is here 90, 180, 270. So here will be A. So A, B, C and D. This is my R270. Okay, let's say it is R of 0. Now, okay, I have applied here R270. Then after I will apply R180. Just take one only. Just take this element only. Okay, just you can take A also, no problem. Just take any of the node. 90, 180. It means my A will be here. So from here A will be here. So A, B, C and D. This is my R 180 into, okay, this is my R. It is R just like this. Now just say what is this. So from original, if I will compare, this is nothing but R90. So the answer is R90. This is the thing. I have one more question here. Yeah, what about R90? Are these both are equal or not? That we can also see. And if it is not equal, then how can we proceed? So R90 into horizontal. Okay, just start from this. So I will solve R90 into horizontal. Just start from here only. Just take R from here, A, B, C, D. It is R0. Just apply R, oh sorry, just apply horizontal first from back side. If it is horizontal, then take from here, then it will be A, B, C, D. It is RH. Now from here you are going to apply R90. R90. Just apply, just move like this. Keep A, and if you will go this side, this will be R90. So here it will be A. If it will be A, wait, A, B, C, D. Now, okay, rotation will like this only, A, D, C, B. So A, B, C, D. So just compare from this. So it is nothing but 1, 2, 90, 180. So from here A. So from here 90, 180. So it is nothing but R180. So it will be R180. Now just calculate this. R90. Okay, H into R90. First what I will do, R90. So this is my A, B, C and D. This is your R of 0. Okay, just take R90. From here if I will apply R90 rotation, then it is what, A, B, C and D. Now take horizontal. This is your horizontal plane. Just take horizontal. Okay, horizontal means it is your A, it is your B, it is your C and D. Are these both equal? No, these are just empty. Just see. So this is what, if I am going to compare it, then H into R90. Okay, I have taken R90. So it is A, B, C, D. So from here it is minus of R0. Okay, it is minus of R0. This is not R. This is R180, but this is negative, or we can say minus of R180. This is minus of R180. This is how we can solve these questions. Next, we have composition table. Now how can you draw the composition table? Just I will show you the concept of the composition table. Okay, these are the elements in which we can define D4, and these are the elements of D4: R0, R90, 180, 270, H, V, D and D dash. Horizontal, vertical, diagonal and anti-diagonal. Now what is the composition table? That is R0, R90, R180, R270, H, V, D and D dash. And it is what? R0, R90, R180, R270, H, V, D and D dash. Just find the value from here. How can you find R into R? It is R0, this one is R90, this one is R180, R270. It will be only horizontal, vertical, diagonal and diagonal dash. You can easily calculate. I have solved 2-3 problems here. This is, in this way you can solve, you can complete this table. I am not going to complete this. This is for you. You can easily just multiply. This is what your R90 with, this will be R90 only. Okay, this will be R180 only. This will be R270 only. This will be H, V, D and D dash. Rest of you can find. And for this one is the identity here. Next, coming to the D3. This is what the definition. Because of that here n is my 3 here up to n minus 1. 2 is my n minus 1, because of that n is equals to 3, and these are the values. What do you mean by R0? So from here it is like this. Let's say it is A, B and C. Okay, what do you mean by R180? So if it is R0, 180 means that one rotation. So it will be A, B, C. So R, not 180, 120, sorry, yeah, there will be 120, because 180 divided by 3 is 120. Okay, yeah. Next, it will be 120. Next will be 240. Just take one more thing here. So it will be A, B and C. This will be R240. Now what do you mean by FAA? So FAA means like this. If it is A, B, C, okay, if it is A, B, C, then just take the symmetry. Just take the symmetry from this one is your A. Just take like this. So R will be A, C will be here, B will be here. This is the answer. Now what do you mean by F of BA? Okay, wait. F of BA, sorry, BB. F of BB means that if it is A, B and C, then what? Just take symmetry with this is your B. Now just interchange this, so it will be your C, A and B. Okay, next is what? FCC. Then it is nothing but A, B, C. Then after you can take symmetry from here, so it will be nothing but C will be here, A will be here, B will be here. This is your FCC. So these all are the elements of D3. Now you can construct the composition table. Yes, from here R0, R120, R240, okay, FA, FBB and FCC. So from here you can just take multiplication from here. This is what your R0, R120, yes, R240, and it will be F of AA, it will be F of BB, F of CC. And then after you can complete it. This is also your homework. You can just multiply, but just remember this thing only. If you are calculating R120 into FAA, start from here. Okay, next D1 and D2. It is very clear. Okay, first just see D2. If it is what? N is equals to 2, from here just see the definition. N is equals to 2, then where value is 0 and 1. So the simple thing, it is what? R of 0. It means if it is A and B. And next it is what? B and A, it means R 180. It is very easy and simple. What is A? If it is A, B, and if you are taking like this, also this, and if you will take from here only, then you can also make. So this is related to the D2, and D3 is simple, just one point. This one is D1, and only two elements are there. Two into 1. So two elements are there only. This is what? R60 and R0. Because of that, there is no reflection here. We can't reflect this. We can't reflect it, but we can't reflect this. Okay, so here are the elements D2. So the cardinality is what? 2 into 2, it is 4. So the R0, R180, FA and FB. But here it is what? R360 and R0, only these two elements will be there. So this is all about the dihedral set, or it will be a group. We'll discuss some more property in that group also. So this is all about DN. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching M.Sc Maths. In the next topic, we'll discuss related to the concept and more the basics of the sets, general linear group, special linear, or the general linear set, special linear set, and we'll discuss some more different kind of basics, and then we'll start group theory. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching M.Sc Maths. Thank you. Bye bye.